Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to show you what is the proof or what is the error in the proof 1 is equals to equation. If you are a logical being, you will not need this video to simply prove it or to simply make yourself disbelieve that 1 is equals 2, because you do not have to be in you do not have to have a great sense of incredulity to not believe that 1 is equals 2. It simply violates the rule of mathematics. It's a palpable violation of mathematics. But somehow, these people who did nothing, or who are not doing nothing, who are bored, managed to have a proof that 1 is equals to 2. So they did it this way. A is equals B, let us suppose. So, for the sake of argument, let us say that A is equals B, and therefore B is equals, therefore, if A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1 also. Let's multiply A from both sides. I will have A squared for this and BA for this. Now let's subtract B squared from both sides. You have to do it both sides of the equation so that they are still equal in terms. This one is a difference of squares which can be expanded to appear as A plus B times A minus B. This one we can extract B and have A minus B as a quantity or as a separate quantity. Let us try to simplify this by cancelling a quantity A minus B from both sides, or by dividing both sides with quantity A minus B. Now, A plus B will appear as B, which means 1 plus 1 is equals 1, 2 is equals 1. So, what happened? We did all the steps with quite certainty and dexterity. What could have happened here? First, let us observe. For the first one, there is no error because 1 squared is equals to 1 squared. Now, what about the second one? One squared minus 1 squared is of course 0. So let us presume this is also true. It has a real answer. It is a real number. But what about this? If we are to do this step, is equals to B this is still correct. There seem to be no error here or mistake. Here comes the mistake. If you divide both sides by A minus B, you are dividing them by 0, because A is 1 minus 1 is 0. So this leads us to an undefined term, and with an undefined term you cannot proceed with the entire equation. That is the problem. So at this very step, this A minus B must have been 0 already. Actually, this equation must already be settled because A minus B is 0. This is 0, therefore any number multiplied by 0 is 0. But if we are going to do this we will proceed with an undefined equation and therefore we cannot continue further. That is the error. If you are going to persist, then you will get 2 is equals to 1. This explains the proposition or the saying that we cannot simply look, or we could not look to arithmetic to form the foundation or to develop the rest or the entire mathematics and to explain the structure of the universe using it. So we cannot do arithmetic, we cannot trust it. We have to do a lot of tests, and we have to be logical being.